You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this American politician, majority leader of the United States Senate, the way he pronounces it. John, you probably knew that already. Thune. Yes, the name in French would be pronounced as Thune, but he's not French. Obviously, if you want to learn more names from American politics, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up in a second. Many confusing one. John Thune. John Thune. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.